Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rice dal full guide. Rinse rice and dal separately until the water runs nearly clear, then soak briefly. Cook dal until soft and rice until fluffy, and combine with the right consistency. Temper spices in hot oil, add aromatics, and fold into the pot. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and heat to your preference, serving warm with garnishes. Gather 1 cup rice, 1 cup dal, 3 cups water, aromatics, and spices before you start cooking. Chop onions, mince garlic and ginger, and prepare any chilies and cilantro for garnish. Measure turmeric, cumin, and mustard seeds so the tempering flows smoothly. Keep oil or ghee heated for a quick spice bloom, and have lemon or tamarind on hand to finish the dish with brightness and balance. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a small treat and keep things fresh while you cook. Look in the video description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, and bookmark any favorites. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by cooking rice and dal to slightly different doneness so textures complement each other when mixed. While they cook, heat oil and crack mustard seeds, add cumin and sauté onions until golden, then add garlic and ginger. Combine everything, simmer to marry flavors, and adjust thickness with water. Finish with lemon juice, chopped cilantro, and a small drizzle of ghee for a rounded, comforting bowl ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.